My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called UYIT. UYIT is a special ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video is only for the demonstration purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I'm showing you what can happen with the files if this ransomware affects them. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and documents and other documentation can be opened easily without any complications. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their files anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and adds this UYIT extension to the data. So whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the UYIT appended extension. The same applies to all other files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a certain ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do is immediately researching your computer with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scanner. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the software begins researching the system. There is a special function in Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection.